Good day, Minecraftians. Purple Mentat here with a different kind of tutorial. Today, I am on a brand new-ish Agrarian Skies world, and as we all know, on a brand new-ish Agrarian Skies world, one of the most frustrating things to do is sit there for hours, holding down the mouse button, or right-clicking a lot to sieve your gravel or dirt. It's a painful process. It takes a long time. It's just not fun for anyone. Well, I'm here to show you how to enable, if you're a Windows user on Windows 7 or Windows 8, the mouse keys accessibility option, which will do a lot of this work for you. So I'm going to hit escape to pause the game, and I'm going to bring up my control panel. I'm going to want ease of access, change how your mouse works. And I want turn on mouse keys checkmarked to on. And I'm going to click set up mouse keys. Make sure turn on mouse keys is set to on. I like to use mouse keys when numlock is off. You can also set to turn on mouse keys with Alt plus left shift plus numlock. And when using keyboard to turn mouse key settings on, you can tell it to display a warning system or make a sound when turning it on and off. For example, if I press numlock, that is the sound of mouse keys turning on and off. It was probably slightly painful. Sorry about that. Now, mouse keys are not super intuitive. The way it works is your numpad becomes a mouse, in effect. Close that off. If I press numlock, I can now move my mouse pointer around by holding the the arrow keys on the number pad. And I haven't set it up to actually move at any sort of reasonable speed, because I don't need to. 1 moves it down to the left, 3 moves it down to the right, 7 moves it up to the left. These are not the ones that you care about at all, though. What you care about is selecting a mouse button and clicking with that mouse button. So to select the left mouse button, and you're going to hear that noise a number of times, you use the / on your numpad. To select the right mouse button, you use the minus sign. We're most interested in the minus sign in this case. So I hit the minus key, and now I'm going to click and drag, which I point at this item, and I push the 0 key on my mouse key. And now it is holding the right mouse button down. Simple as that. And I'm getting nothing out of my sieve. There we go. That was kind of weird. So yeah, it's that simple. Enable mouse keys, use the minus key, and press 0. And you have effectively an auto clicker built into Windows 7 and Windows 8. I do not know if an analog is available on the Mac. I know that if you want to use something similar on Linux, you're going to have to download a separate program yourself. I do not know if mouse keys is available on Windows Vista or Windows 7. So I hope some of you find that useful. Oh, and if you ever want to stop right-clicking, the easiest way is honestly just to right-click with your actual mouse. Tapping 0 again will not stop it. You can also press the period button on your numpad. That will also release it. So there you go. I hope you have found this useful. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.